From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, January 27th, 2022. Carnival Cruise Line's latest new build received its signature funnel at the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland on Tuesday afternoon. Carnival Celebration, the new LNG ship, will debut from the United Kingdom in November, with its maiden voyage being a 14-night transatlantic cruise from Southampton to Miami. Celebration will have a lot of the same features as sister ship Mardi Gras, which debuted July 31st last year in Port Canaveral, including the Zone concept and Bolt, the roller coaster. Once in Miami, the ship will sail 7-night Caribbean voyages. And Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas is scheduled to be delivered later on this morning at Chantiers d'Atlantique shipyard in France. The ship will be divided into 8 neighborhoods, including a brand new suite neighborhood concept. Also, a new southern specialty restaurant will be on board called the Mason Jar. In March, Wonder will sail Caribbean voyages from her new home port of Port Everglades. Wonder of the Seas will hold the title of the world's largest cruise ship at 236,857 gross registered tons. And last week, you may remember that Celebrity Cruises canceled the summer season for Celebrity Infinity for this year. Now the line has announced that the ship will sail Caribbean voyages starting on June 25th from Port Everglades. It'll operate alternating 7-night Eastern and Western itineraries, with every sailing featuring calls to Key West in either Bimini or Nassau. After spending the summer in Port Everglades, Infinity will reposition to South America, sailing Antarctica voyages for the winter. And today is National Chocolate Cake Day. If you'd like to whip up Carnival's famous warm chocolate melting cake, you can find the recipe on our homepage at cruiseradio.net. It's very easy. Even I can do it. And cruise line stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 0.5%, 20.29. Royal Caribbean up 1.2, 81.13. And Norwegian up 1.4, 20.93. Breaking news in this week's podcast, a review of Princess Cruises' Sky Princess at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have a great Thursday.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.